Hello everybody. Today we are learning a small topic known as ploidy. So ploidy refers to the genetic component or the chromosome number present in a cell. And ploidy, when we say about ploidy, there are two notations which comes into mind. That is N and X. Usually they are both very confusing terms, that N and X. So here we are basically answering a simple question: what is the difference between N and X? So N in simple terms is the number of chromosomes present in a gametic cell or a sex cell. In the case of plants, it will be a pollen or a ovule, whereas in case of humans, it will be a sperm and egg. So number of chromosomes in a gametic cell is N, whereas 2N refers to the number of cells present in a somatic cell or body cell. In the case of plants, it will be a cell seen in leaf, stem or root. In the case of human, we all know it will be any bodily cell, whereas in the case of a sex cell or gamete cell, 2N will be the number of chromosomes present in body cell. So that is N and 2N. So what is X? X is the number of basic set of chromosomes. So in case of human, we can explain it with an example. In the case of human, we are all diploids. That is, we have two sets of chromosomes, each from father and mother. So two sets of chromosomes makes us diploid. So in case of human, N and X are same, as in the number of chromosomes present in the gametic cell will be equal to the basic set, that is 23 in case of human. In the case of body cells, that is in the case of somatic cells, it will be 46. So 2N will be is equal to 2X, that is 46. It becomes different in the case of polyploids. So in humans it's okay, N is equal to X, but in the case of polyploids, as in the ploidy level is increased. Example is durum wheat or a normal wheat which we see. And in wheat it is hexaploid, as in 6X. So the chromosome number is repeated 6 times in somatic cells. So in durum wheat, the 2N or the number of chromosomes in the somatic cells will be 42, that is 6X. And the number of chromosomes present in the gamete, that is the pollen or the ovum, will be 21. So that is the number of chromosomes present in the gametes, that is the N number, that is 21. So what is the X number? Here is the difference. The X of wheat is 7. That is, there are only 7 chromosomes and each 7 chromosome is repeated 6 times in case of somatic cells. That makes 6 into 7, 42. So that is it. Each chromosome is repeated 6 times in wheat. So we call it as a hexaploid. So that is the basic difference between N and X. So polyploids are basically in characters also gigas characters. So each gene is repeated 6 times in wheat. So it will be showing giant characters, as in yield, in fruits, in size and all. It will be gigas characters or giant characters. So that is the basic difference between N and X. Thank you.